刚听到歌曲。
Rua de São Domingos, beautiful, beautiful Macau. Walking down Rua de São Domingos, beautiful Rua de São Domingos. Just walking through Macau. It's a beautiful day in a beautiful way. Just walking through Macau. Rua de São Domingos. Walking through Rua de São Domingos. Just walking down Rua de São Domingos. São Domingos. Just walking through Macau. It's a beautiful day in a beautiful way. Oh, just walking through Macau.
Okay, we're gonna start in here. This is Domingos. Just go back a tiny little bit. You can also see all of the Chinese New Year references. We're gonna be filming on the Chinese New Year, the very first day. I'll probably be uploading it later. I'm just documenting the streets, and we're gonna be documenting Domingos. There's the full church right there, and we're gonna go up all the way down Domingo Street. So stay tuned for that. Maybe I'll change the lens, make this a little bit bigger. Okay, let's put it up on the map. Okay, we got another slice of Macau for you. Let's put this up on the map so you can see exactly where we are. Without further ado, let's just get right into it as if you're there yourself. Another slice of Macau. Okay, let's just put this on super view, capture these streets, because it's it'll probably distort it a little bit, but we have just so much people, so many things going on that we want to capture the whole scene of it, and I think it's going to be better. So let's explore St. Dominic's church, and I'm kind of documenting what it looks like in time. So this church is the base of St. Dominic Street, and it's called St. Dominic Square, but the street goes all the way straight through all of this. So we're going to show you what it looks like. We have a sign right here. Let's capture that sign. Domingos Street, St. Dominic Street. I have captured it lots of different times, even like during COVID era, different time periods. So if you ever want to see past times that I've been here, sometimes it'll be busy like this, sometimes not so busy, all kinds of different stuff. You can always see the thumbnails at the end. I always put the last 2 times I was in the same street. I do that for all the videos. There's the Chinese New Year reference right up there. Get a little closer to that. So you can see the last 2 times I was here, but I think I've filmed this street at least 20 times over the last 5-6 years. So you can see different incarnations of it, and if you go far back enough, you can even see it when I was here during COVID, during 3 years, and these streets were completely empty. Look quite different than now. Lots of tour groups today. Lots of visitors today because of the holiday. There's a pot mart, look how busy that is as well. Some beautiful architecture in this whole area. And there's our Chinese New Year reference. There's so many people everywhere in here. I'm gonna come up to this big circle this circle is that's going to be very crazy crowded that direction. That goes all the way up to St. Paul ruins. You kind of dread even thinking about going up there. So Domingos starts down there. Most of the crowds will go here, which we're not going to do. So you can see the street names: Domingos and Kaya. The Turkish ice cream is like a new shop. The sign is still covered up. And our street's going to go like this, so we will follow it. Okay, so let's go like this. There's some more Chinese New Year. I think the last time I filmed it was probably Christmas, and there was Santa Clauses climbing the fences and different. Look how busy that is up there. See all those crowds. That's Say. They're going up to Say Church way up there. There might even be some performances up there. I don't know. Kind of wish I was going up there now. That's crazy. Okay, and we have this glass building here. You see, let's just try to meander through this. It's quite photogenic. Okay, we're gonna go down here. And this street actually goes down a little bit of a ways. It goes towards the Portuguese bookstore. We'll capture what that looks like too. There's different designs and some famous Macau literature connected people, as well as China. Alleyways down that way. So this is the pedestrian part. We're gonna start walking towards the street part. Still pretty busy. I'll probably upload this later, so it won't be, it'll be probably in March. I have so many other ones to upload. But I am going to try to capture some of the writers and famous people. A couple right there. I think they use the AI to create them. By Macau. Okay, so they have some artists up here. Some of the artwork. 35 is a nice tasting alcohol. Some of these books, they're from the literary festival and some other literature as well. Ballad of a Small Player is, they made that into a movie recently. That one right there. Then here's some more artwork. There's Pasanya, and then I think the one on the left is Macanese guy. I don't want to say anything wrong, so I don't want to say the wrong name. But right is Camellia Pasanya. Okay, we'll keep on going down. Try to capture that building over there. So many people today, it's kind of hard to film. Beautiful architecture. So that, so this is a street with Portuguese tiles. And this street is going to end not too far from here, so we'll come up to the ending spot and capture that. Some nice architecture. And it changes to a different name. I think it's like Silva. Can't remember the name. But this street will change into a different name here. Pedro Nolasco de Silva. So Pedro Nolasco Silva starts here, and then our particular street ends right here. So St. Dominic's. So St. Dominic's changes into a different street altogether. Let me just kind of capture some really beautiful buildings right here like that. Okay. So we're gonna do is try to come back down and capture the street. Now you can see it from this side. And I'm just gonna walk down a little bit, and I want to capture the black and white Portuguese flow of it. The bookstore in the background, some more architecture we're gonna capture in a minute, and then this will kind of give you the idea of the vibe of St. Dominic's. So pretty cool street. There's the bookstore over there, and there's a really nice looking building right straight ahead too that's like shaped architecturally quite interesting. Okay, so we're gonna come back to the pedestrian and we're gonna end the video shortly. Pretty cool. Okay, so let's come right back in here and then we're gonna end it. So nice, the cars can come through here, so the black and white tiles spread out and you have that whole scene like that. We'll end our video right there.